single family homes, townhomes, apartments here, and condominium here, and we'll have a single family house in here also.
Okay. Okay. And do you know the projected time that it's going to take?
Project? We're projecting about 5 to 7 years completion date.
Is that phase 1 or is that all 5 phases?
All 5 phases.
Okay.
So you see this is that triangle, and this is what we're buying, everything that's outlined in blue. And this shows what's existing on the site, and this shows what we want to do on this.
Okay, now what are all these buildings? Is there something that says what all these buildings are?
Well, we can walk around and we have each one of these buildings parceled out with more in-depth understanding of what we want to do. I'm happy to give you a quick overview, or if you however you want to do it. The transit?
Yeah, the transit portion. We'll be reporting the outcomes of either light rail or bus. So we need to keep that in mind.
We will have a 50,000 square foot grocery store here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, we'll bring a grocery store. We have a medical office building. Hotel.
Okay.
And then this is historic district. The historic district will have restaurants, fast food, buildings, office buildings, and some residential.